Tonight, a Cecil County community is keeping an eye out for stray cats after one of them attacked a neighbor and another tested positive for rabies.
ABC 2 News' Jeff Hager has more on this public health alert tonight. Jeff?
Kelly, one cat has tested positive, and health officials fear more of them may be rabid, turning what was once a nuisance into a threat to public safety. Most domestic cats are required by law to be vaccinated for rabies. But here in the woods just off of Brewster Bridge Road in Elkton, one stray cat has tested positive and another case is suspected, prompting a warning issued throughout the neighborhood.
It's concerning because we have pets that stay outside a lot, and my kids are out here a lot.
Angie Scramlin of the Cecil County Health Department says the first sign of a possible outbreak came about 3 weeks ago.
A person came into the hospital. They had been exposed to a stray cat that really attacked them fairly aggressively. I mean, cats can be nasty, but this one really attacked them, biting, clawing, wouldn't let go. So it was suspect, but the cat ran off. They weren't able to actually trap it and test it.
The victim had to start a series of shots as a precaution against the infectious viral disease when a second cat showed up in their yard weeks later, acting strangely.
In this case, the cat was screaming and screaming loudly and kind of going in circles.
This time, Animal Services tracked down the animal, and it tested positive for rabies.
It was a small white cat, about 10 to 12 pounds. It had one blue eye, so it's not your normal, just, that calico tabby out there. It kind of was unique enough that if people, recognized that they saw that cat in the 10 days prior to that tested last Friday, we want them to come forward.
They're also encouraging people in the community to keep a watchful eye out on their animals until the stray cats can be rounded up and check for any further signs of infection.
They come into our yard. They definitely come into our yard, so our dogs usually chase them out, but sometimes our dogs are inside and the cats will come in.
This is Cecil County's third reported case of rabies this year. In January, a stray cat in Port Deposit tested positive, and in May, a raccoon did as well in Chesapeake City.